back to Access Live with our guest co-host, Carrie Champion. Now, R. Kelly was in court yesterday, facing 11 new sex-related felony charges. He pled not guilty to all charges. He continues to deny any wrongdoing.
Yeah, we've seen that. Joining us now is criminal defense attorney Alison Triessl to break down what's the latest going on with this case. So tell me what these new charges mean, Alison.
Okay, so there are 4 victims. We're not adding any new victims, but it's enhancing the charges that he already has, and these are by far the most serious. So 4 of the counts are aggravated sexual assault. Each of them carry a maximum of 30 years in prison.
Wow.
He's looking at spending the rest of his life in prison.
What about, so he continues to deny all wrongdoings? Is that all he's got?
This is very much R. Kelly's MO. He has never admitted any wrongdoing at all. For a lot of people, this has been coming for at least 20 years.
Sure.
And now he has no other choice but say, I didn't do this, because there's no plea that he can accept that these victims will be happy with that won't land him in prison for many, many years.
Okay, so let me try to understand this. You're saying there are no new victims. These are just new charges.
Right.
What is the likelihood, because he has been for so long avoiding the jail system, what is the likelihood he could be convicted?
Okay, this is why I think he's going to go down this time. Because unlike the other cases where the victims were very reluctant to testify, you have 4 very eager witnesses that are willing to tell their entire story to a jury. Okay. They get up there, they talk about the abuse, the isolation, the control, the sexual abuse to a jury, and they say, look, I was 15, 16, 17 at the time. Yeah. That's real convincing. It's going to be very hard for him to be found not guilty, in my opinion.
Let's talk about another case that is gripping the country.
Yeah.
Jennifer Dulos, are you at home following this? She's a mom of 5.
Yeah.
She's gone missing. Her children are under armed guard currently by her mother.
Right.
Give us the background on this.
Okay, here's a mother of 5, very cantankerous divorce. They started divorce 2017. They have 5 children. The youngest is 8 years old. This is the makings of everything that could go wrong in a very bad divorce, right? So you have an affair, you have money issues where apparently he borrowed over $1 million from her family. You have a very, very angry custody battle, and you have threats. She said in court papers 2 years ago, he's dangerous, he's gonna hurt me. So what happens? She goes missing. Her car is found near a park.
Yeah.
There's blood in her home.
Yeah.
There's video of him and his new girlfriend going to different locations, getting rid of trash in 30 different receptacles. Him and the girlfriend have been arrested.
Yeah.
They have been arrested. They have not been charged with murder. They've been charged with tampering with evidence and hindering a prosecution. I believe that was to hold them there. The bail is set at $500,000. We already know that the girlfriend has already come in and spoken to the prosecutor. So it's Flip City. Yeah. It's Flip City.
You've called
because
that.
Here's the, and I've said this before, in a situation like this, we always look to the husband or the boyfriend. Usually, that's who did it. And
that's my question. Why now do they still, we think of Scott Peterson, we think of all these infamous cases. Why do the husbands think they can get away with it?
By the way, he's presumed innocent. I don't know if he did it or not.
Correct.
However, I'm looking at the facts here. I'm telling you what I normally see, right?
Right.
So the rage, the anger, the resentment, they can't help themselves. But the police turn immediately to them. Immediately to them.
But what about if they can't find the body?
I'm not that concerned about it. A lot of these cases can be proven very easily on circumstantial evidence. Here you have all the MO you need. You have a horrible divorce. You have the affair. You have the money. You have blood. You have blood evidence in her home and in these trash receptacles. And I believe what's going to happen is that the girlfriend is going to provide all the rest of the evidence.
There are
Absolutely.
5 kids. What happens to the babies?
So this is horrible, right? I mean, there's 5 children. They're the ones that are really being punished. Their father, if he gets convicted, he goes to prison. They're orphaned. They are being taken care of right now by the maternal grandmother. They're under armed guard because they're concerned about their safety. It's just going to destroy them for the rest of their life. It's just so tragic. Get a divorce and end the relationship.
Alison Triessl, you've done it again.
Yes.
Great to see you. She's off to court, by the way. Oh, and make sure you check out Alison's fascinating website, Wild About Trial, for all the latest criminal trial info. She's up on it. Good to see you.
Alison, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
If you love that video, you're going to love everything on the Access YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe button. You can thank me later. Hit it. Now. Thanks.